Everyone says that children learn best through play, but exactly how does play help children learn and grow? Well, stay tuned to this video and find out the 7 benefits to unstructured play and how it can help your child thrive in all their learning and in life. Hi everyone, I'm BJ Muir here with Little Rooted Minds, and today we're looking at the 7 benefits of unstructured play. Now you might be asking, what exactly is unstructured play? Well, I want you to think of play in 2 different groups. Let me give you some examples. In the first group, I want you to think about things like piano lessons, karate class, rec and organized sports, things like that. In the second category, I want you to think about playing tag outside with friends, stacking blocks, make-believe and pretend play, coloring, things like that. You see, both are really great, but in the first group, we have much more adult-directed, organized, structured play events. And in the second category, we have kid-directed, spontaneous events and play. It's really the unstructured play we're going to talk about today. You see, in our world of wanting to give our kids the best, we've unfortunately gone a little too much in this direction of structured play, and in doing so, our children are losing out on the benefits that they get from unstructured play because there simply isn't time in their world to do that. So today, we're going to take a look at those benefits of unstructured play. Now, as we get started here, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you believe that play is really the work of childhood. Also, don't forget to follow us across social media. Benefit number 1. Unstructured play provides a natural environment for learning. From counting seats on the plane to make sure all the little people can go on vacation, to choosing your favorite color to cut out shapes, to measuring wood in the backyard for building a fort, to researching more about that really scary bug in the backyard. Unstructured play is that place where children explore new ideas and try out new concepts and play with new tools and toys in an effort to really explore the whole world and truly, in an integrated fashion, learn. Benefit number 2. Unstructured play develops problem-solving skills. Whether it's how to complete a Lego structure, or stacking blocks in a game of Jenga, or solving a puzzle together, or even how to climb down from a tree. Your kid will learn so many useful problem-solving skills just by engaging in unstructured play. Skills not only that they need in childhood, but even for life. Now, how do I actually get down from this thing? Little help, please! Benefit number 3, unstructured play provides opportunities to develop social skills. Whether it be learning how to compromise and share a toy with someone, or how to invite a friend over to join in the fun, or resolving a conflict with someone we deeply care about. When we play together, we learn social skills together. A lot of times we joke as adults about how our kids can operate our smartphones better than we can, but in reality, it's true. Additionally, what we find is kids are really great at working with devices and technology, but these basic social human interactions, that's the area where they need to learn a lot more. There's a lot more information about this from author and researcher Tim Elmore from his book Generation IY. You can find that in the description down below for a link to it. But this is really the area where our children need to grow in these social skills, and so unstructured play provides them that very opportunity. Benefit number 4. Unstructured play encourages creativity and imagination in our kids. Whether it's making mud pies for Daddy, oh my, dressing up like a princess with your daughters all ready for the ball.
Here's your flowers.
Or getting ready for a big dragon battle. Our kids have a lot of opportunities for creativity and imagination when they direct their play. And we have a little bit of an opportunity to get a little silly ourselves. Our kids live in a world where they can just ask Alexa or Google or Siri the answers to lots of questions. But what these devices can't do is be creative and imagine. Kids who grow a deeply rooted sense of creativity and imagination not only have an upper hand in the workforce and in life and in learning in general, but they also have a gift that will keep on giving. The gift of the imagination is a gift that gives a whole lifetime long. Benefit number 5. Unstructured play provides an opportunity for your child to develop their gross motor and fine motor skills. From climbing up ladders and sliding down slides to playing on swings and coloring pictures and even cutting those pictures out and giving them to friends, there's lots of fun ways to develop fine and gross motor skills. And remember, when your child's developing his or her fine or gross motor skills, they're also developing their thinking as well. Benefit number 6. Unstructured play is not just a natural place for learning, it's also a safe place for learning to happen. You see, when children are engaged in unstructured play, they're in control, and because they're in control, they're more willing to take risks, more willing to try new things out, more willing to explore their emotions and just general life experiences. You know, unstructured play is a place to kind of download life and see what's going on. It's a place where children can take all those happy and exciting experiences from their days and reenact them, either by keeping them the same and just enjoying them again and again and again, or by changing some aspects and seeing what would happen if we did something a little differently today. But they do it in the safety of play. Additionally, when a kid's worried about something or they're scared of something, they can project those emotions in a safe way onto a stuffed animal or a doll or some little people. In doing so, they get to, one, understand that these emotions are okay emotions to experience and it's okay to have them. And 2, they get to now play the role of caregiver and they get to take care of those emotions for that stuffed animal or doll or little people, and it helps them process those emotions in a healthy way. Unstructured play is that place where the brain gets to rest and digest so that those neural pathways and connections can be made to continue your child's growth and development. Benefit number 7. Unstructured play wires your brain to maximize thinking and learning. You know, researchers have found that after a few minutes of exercise or movement, the brain activity inside your head goes way up. We also know that all of those wiggles, kicks, crawling, and movements babies do at an early age are actually very purposeful and are helping build neural connections in their brains to develop memory, focus, attention, and other executive functioning skills. Unstructured play does many of these things as well. It provides an opportunity for your brain to continue developing the types of neural connections and pathways that maximize thinking and learning. When children don't have the opportunity for unstructured play, unfortunately we see negative consequences such as struggles with focus, attention, memory, organizational skills, depression, anxiety, stress management, other mental health concerns as well. And so we know that providing children with unstructured play opportunities helps negate all those things and in fact build the pathways we want to see developing in our child's brains. One final note, you may have noticed that we didn't mention screens and devices. You see, even when children choose these things for play, we don't see the same types of benefits that we see when we engage in all these other types of activities for unstructured play. So we don't consider them part of the category of unstructured play. The benefits just aren't there. Now that you've seen our 7 benefits, question, what are some other benefits that you're thinking of that maybe we missed? I'm really interested to see what are some of the other ideas you come up with, so go ahead and put a comment down below. We'd love to see them and get to exchange them with each other. Also, if you'd like to know how to maximize opportunities for unstructured play, go ahead and check out our related videos as well. We'll put links in the description down below also. Hi, Mom. Yeah, again. Oh, only a couple hours. You can? Okay. All right, I'll see you soon. Thanks. Well, while I'm up here waiting for help, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure to ring the notification bell so you can get all our videos, and check the description down below for other related links and videos as well. And always remember, it takes a big heart to grow little minds. Thanks, everybody.